guys, welcome back to my channel. As you read the title, this is a pretty little thing try on haul.
I'm typically the one that buys everything in black, so this is the first time I actually bought colors.
I saved $100 on this order. I think I have about 6 or 7 pieces in here, so we are about to see how they look on. I also have these 4 items that were already in my closet. So before we get started, you already know to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know which look is your favorite look. All right, let's get into this video. So this jumpsuit is actually super cute. I am typically the type to buy everything tight. I wear a lot of tight jeans, tight tops, and I'm technically over it. So I needed something comfy, and I love that the arms are super long. Y'all, real struggle for tall girls or girls with long arms, you know what I'm talking about. Every time you buy something, everything else fits perfect, and then the arm be like stopping right here on your wrist. That's not cute, because I be trying to scrunch it up and make it look like something, but no, never. So this is a plus. I love this. You can zipping it up. It has pockets. It's springtime. I guess I'll be wearing it as a quarantine outfit. Yeah. So this is my quarantine and chill outfit. You can obviously put a shirt under it.
Okay, struggling over the zipper, but okay. Yeah, this is it for my stuff.
Here's the scrunchy part at the bottom. I realized that I didn't show you in the other clip. We're gonna try on these shoes. These look super chunky. And I'm not really like a big sneaker person. They're kind of tight on my feet. I don't know if that's how chunky shoes are, because my size is normally an 8.5. Oh, pray it don't fall. But my size is normally an 8.5, so I got a 9 to be on the safe side. But one foot feels tighter than the other. Let me know what you guys think of these shoes. Like, would you rock them? How would you rock them? I have to order a size up. I had ordered this new dress online. I thought it was just like very smooth, but it actually is a rib dress. So we're about to see how this looks on. This dress is cute. I like the shoulder cutouts. I love the color. It's nude. I don't think I own anything nude as far as like a dress. So I mean, you guys let me know what you think. The only thing with this material, like, you can see everything, so you gotta make sure you have on the right undergarments. But I still love the fact that the arms are super long. This dress is cute. I like it. So I was excited about this shirt. I love yellow. Yellow pops in my skin. So this is supposed to be like an oversized shirt, and I had an idea in my head already how I'm gonna wear it. So this isn't what I thought. I thought it would have been like longer, I guess, but it's still cool. It's like a casual shirt. We all need some of those in our closet. But I did have an idea. I had this belt I already own, and I was like, I wonder what this would look like. It's like a look. I thought this would be cute. Don't mind my leggings, but I thought this would be like a cute look. Some type of like, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This shirt actually is really popping right now. I like it overdressed, but not even dressed. Like underdressed, but overdressed. The next item was, I think it's like a crop orange top. Super cute. I done ripped the bag. But I had got this because of the color, and it looked cute on the model. But this top is super cute. I love the color. I love that it hangs off the shoulder. Happy that the arms are long. I don't know. This part is square. Oh, maybe it go up like that. I think I'm wearing it wrong. So it must go up like that. Which look do y'all like better? Up on the shoulder or off the shoulder? But this material is very light, I would say. Like, it would snag on things, so you gotta be very, very, very careful. But I love this orange for my skin. I can't wait to wear it around the house because I'm in quarantine and take some cute pictures. So now it's time to get into my norm, a black bodysuit. every girl should have a black bodysuit in their closet. If not, then you need to get one. But this material, let's try it out. Okay, so this is a typical regular black one sleeve bodysuit. The only thing I don't like is the arm isn't long enough, but I might have bought it in a bad size. The material is snag-delicious. But other than that, I love it. I love the one arm sleeve missing. It's super cute. Can most definitely dress it up, dress it down. But yeah, let me know in the comments below which outfit was your fave, well, which piece was your fave. And thank you guys for tuning in.